Alrighty, y'all, today's video just gonna put a cover on my 29-foot Grand Design RV. It's actually a 34-foot. It's 29-foot living. It's supposed to be like 32 feet long. I actually ordered a 32-foot. Now I'm a little worried if it's even gonna fit, because it's saying that the one that we ordered is actually 31 foot 6 inches, so they might have shorted me 6 inches, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to install this today. Hopefully I don't have to. Hopefully I can get it up there and installed. Just a quick overview. Just says to sweep off, clean. You know, you're gonna, let's see here. Yeah, it's basically the gist of it. They give you some stuff here, some instructions. But basically we're gonna get up there, we're gonna clean it real quick, I'm gonna roll it out, and then I'm gonna try to do this little tuck method here and get it dropped over, and then hopefully strapped up. Show you guys kind of what this thing looks like. Looks like they give us some extra, looks like they give us the gutter covers, so I'm gonna go up there and install those too, just to, so that way the gutters don't cut into it. Plenty of rope. This thing comes pre-sealed, so basically cut this open, and I'm gonna carry that up there and roll it out like it showed. So I'm gonna get started on that. Alrighty, we're up top. I'm gonna go ahead and sweep off these leaves real quick. Alrighty, y'all, sweeped up. Now we're up on the roof. We're gonna go ahead and cut this thing open for you. See how this thing. Alright, let me cut this thing and get this out of here. Alrighty, y'all, it's gonna be tight. I don't know if it's gonna fit or not, but we got our gutter covers installed. I'm gonna go ahead. We're closing that slide up now. We're gonna try to throw it over and see what we get. Alrighty, y'all, so we got it all on there. You can see it with the 2 air conditioners. We got the zipper here for the middle access to get into the door, so that works out. It's got the 3 vents. We got to do a little more straps. We just did a strap here. We did the 2 straps in the front. So the one on the box said it was 31/6, and you can see it fit really tight. We probably should have went with the size up, but then we would have had a lot of bag. And one of the reviews I seen, somebody did that and it was so baggy they didn't like it. So this is real nice and tight. Like I said, we got to put a couple more straps. They actually recommend over the roof straps. I'm just kind of doing this to keep the UV rays off of the roof, hopefully prolong that and keep the paint from fading. Here it is in the back. So overall, you know, it works out good. Maybe I'll update it with a review when we come back in probably like 3 months. Again, I pull this thing with a 2500 3/4 ton pickup truck. I think this RV is actually rated. You could pull it with a 1/2 ton. Don't count me on it, but I think it's like 8,000 pounds dry. So overall, be sure to check out some of my other review videos or on the RV stuff. I actually did a walkthrough video on this if you guys are interested in seeing that. You know, if you're not a subscriber, I appreciate a subscribe, a like, comment. Appreciate y'all for staying tuned. Wish us luck with this, and hopefully it helps protect our investment. Y'all take care. God bless.